being over there in Russia right now. Kevin Robinson, our chief meteorologist, has the windy, snowy forecast still around greater Cincinnati.
You know, there's this really cold place in Russia called Siberia, and we probably are going to get a little chunk of that air that has come across the North Pole, slid across Canada, and is working its way into the Ohio Valley. And, you know, I don't really use the word bitter too often, especially during the month of November, right? It gets cold here in the winter. Everyone knows that. But when you start talking wind chills in the teens in November, that's bitter cold. And you know what? Despite all the sunshine, it's not going to help us out very much this weekend. You are going to need the heavy winter gear. In fact, look at this. Tomorrow morning's real field temperatures has just about everyone in the teens, between 15 and 20 degrees. That's what it will feel like. Temperatures will be pretty close to 20, and with a sustained wind up there around 10 miles an hour, that will give you wind chills in the middle and upper teens to get your Saturday started. So indeed, that's that cold that hits you in the face as soon as you walk outdoors and you're like, wow, it is cold. Here's a look at radar right now. Not a lot happening around the area, just a few sprinkles and showers that have drifted off towards the east across southern parts of Claremont County from around Moscow to Felicity, over towards Bethel, then back out towards Mount Orab. Just very light sprinkles or showers that are quickly scooting off towards the east. I don't expect a lot of wet weather this evening. In fact, the big story for this evening, the cold winds driving down the temperatures. Winds gusting close to 30 here in Cincinnati, 28, 24 Hamilton, Springboro at 24. Just about everyone seeing sustained wind gusts up there close to 20 miles an hour. I wouldn't be surprised through the evening to even get a wind gust over 30 as temperatures drop quickly here. So we're falling into the upper 30s. Eventually, by the time you join us back at News 5 at 11, we'll be close to the freezing mark. Right now, there may be a few sprinkles or showers around the area, but I wouldn't be surprised as the evening progresses and temperatures drop that you actually see a few snowflakes as well. Look at temperatures, generally in the 40s across much of southwest Ohio and northern Kentucky, but I've been keeping a close eye on this cold air that is working its way out of Indiana and across the state line. In fact, temperatures are falling by the minute out there for most of us. You're down to 38 in College Hill and Mount Healthy, 39 in Wyoming, 40 in Hyde Park. You've now dropped to 39 in Delhi and Fort Wright in northern Kentucky as well. So here's a live look back downtown tonight. If you check out Old Glory there, you see that stiff breeze. You're down to 41 at the airport with a sustained northwest wind at 17 with gusts close to 30. So here comes that reinforcing area of cold air, and if you look out towards St. Louis, even some flurries and snow showers. This will dive near and south of the Ohio River this evening, so that's why I'm going to keep the chance in there at least for a few flakes of snow before midnight. Obviously nothing that's going to accumulate, but if you see it out there, just know it's a sign of what's coming in terms of temperatures. By midnight, skies begin to clear out, so by morning we drop into the low 20s. We'll have lots of sunshine tomorrow, and it is rare when you talk about a sunny day from start to finish in November, even here in Cincinnati, where temperatures struggle to get above freezing. And then it's going to be very cold tomorrow night, and at least we have sunshine to start on Sunday before we begin to cloud up. Dress warm if you're heading to the game at UC tomorrow night. Temperatures will be near freezing, dropping into the 20s, and it's just a little bit milder on Sunday, but still cold. For tailgaters, it will be in the 30s as temperatures climb into the mid-40s. So we'll drop to 21 by morning with bitter cold winds and wind chills in the teens. Tomorrow we struggle to get above freezing with a cold breeze. It will feel at least like it's below freezing all day from start to finish as we only make it up to about 36. Here's your 7-day forecast. So a little bit milder on Sunday. Monday doesn't look bad for Veterans Day. However, rain arrives Monday night. And Mike and Cherie, I'm looking a little more confident at the fact that we might have a light accumulation of snow here Monday night into Tuesday morning.
I don't even want to talk about it, Kevin, so I'm just going to move right on.
You might have to take that heater under your desk.